Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Rocket R58 espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a little bit of work. We had to calibrate the brew unit, the temperature sensor, and we also gave this machine a tune-up. Descaling both boilers, the brew boiler as well as the steam boiler, making sure that these steamer ones are clean and deep clean around the groove head, and replace the shower gasket as well. So yeah, that's what we did with this espresso machine. So starting one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. I'm using one of our machine's portafilter, the Lady Bianca to be precise. So this is not the machine's portafilter. Hopefully I pick up the right grind size as well. Otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. So you can see nice steady stream coming out of the machine, excellent flow, really good color coming out. Gonna stop it now. Good crema. Nice shot of espresso. And water for this machine, as you can see, nice steady stream coming out. And for the steamer, you can see nice steady steam. But I should have used, I should have tested first this one instead of doing this one, because by removing water from the boiler, we lower the temperature. Now we're just gonna wait for this temperature to go all the way up, and then we're gonna be testing the steamer. As you can see, machine is heating up properly, going from 0.5 and increasing the bar pressure inside the steam boiler. Once it gets to the green zone, which is going between 1 and 1.5, the machine will be ready to steam. As the machine is getting to 1 bar, we're now in the green zone. As you can see, excellent steam coming out of the machine. Really great pressure, perfect to make latte, cappuccinos, and great foam. And again, we can test now the hot water, as there's no pressure inside the boiler. Working excellent. Now the machine's gonna refill. As you can see, as it refills, the pressure inside the boiler drops. Brew boiler, excellent temperature, really great flow. So there you have it. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Like and subscribe in our channel. Thank you.